All my prep work is done, which means that we get to dive into the fun part, all the layering and decorating. We're gonna be spraying it with cocoa, like melted cocoa. Velvet spray is what it's called. It is so cool. I love the texture of it. I got a couple different colors. And for my filling, since I'm gonna do like purples and pinks, I thought I would do like a raspberry filling. So I just add some freeze-dried raspberry powder to my buttercream.
Do you have any plans for how you're gonna keep the spray contained, Lori?
What's that now?
Well, the spray for the thingy
Yeah.
that you were just talking about? Yeah, do you have plans to like keep it from going everywhere?
I think I'll just kind of like...
Just with your hand?
What's your, Kevin, little engineer, what's your plan? How are you going to save us from the airbrushing?
The only thing I could think of is to just set up like a backdrop that you can spray against.
There are cocoa butter spraying machines, but like you have to like melt your cocoa, keep it at a certain temperature, and apparently it can clog and then be like ruined. And they're like $300. But you can also buy these. They're like $40 or something each, which is absolutely ridiculous, but they feel hefty, so I'm hoping that they're gonna do a good amount of coverage, but these are a lot cheaper. You don't get to customize the colors, but you don't have to spend $300. Here's the thing about the size of the cake. I think this is gonna be like a really tiny, awkward looking 2-tier cake, which I tried to describe to Kevin.
Why are you putting it on me?
Because I said to you that we should do an 8 and a 6, and you were like, no, an 8-inch is way too big. I was like, I agree, but a 6 and a 4 is gonna look really awkwardly tiny.
Literally none of this ever happened.
It did. How dare you? But I wanted to do a 2-tier because I want spraying coverage. I want enough cake that I could like cover a lot of surface area with the velvetiness. Oh, everyone always asks me what we do with the cake. So every time we have a
Look
cake,
how cute Archie is right now. He's all curled up like an armadillo.
Look at this tiny little thing. It is barely a cake.
Oh yeah. No? Oh yeah. No? Oh yeah.
I like the height of this, but I'm wondering if this is too short, but do you think it's okay?
I think the bottom cake's good.
Yeah.
Over top
Okay, then
again?
let's leave it. Let's leave it.
Okay. Day in the life of a cake decorating YouTuber.
I don't understand.
Wild YouTuber sprays her table down, now wipes her fingers. She knows the importance of clean hand hygiene while making videos, especially when her cameraman gets close-ups of her hands and her face.
There is a method to my madness when it comes to crumb coating. So you see like how this is deep there and the filling isn't coming out? If I just slapped on buttercream on top of that without filling up that gap, that's gonna create little air pockets and air bubbles. Not that this will prevent all, but it does help. Get out of here!
Are you losing it?
No! There's a fruit fly. I'm not the woman on the plane. There's a fruit fly. How many cakes do you think I've crumb coated in my life now? A few hundred. I'm taking a quick break and I want to wish Love and Pies a happy 2nd birthday and thank them for sponsoring this video. Me being a gaming and dessert girly, I have been loving Love and Pies, and if you're not familiar with it, it's this beautiful mobile game that takes you through the crazy life of Amelia as you get to renovate and run your own virtual bakery. But unlike a real bakery owner, I don't have to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning to create adorable baked goods for my customers. Basically, the task is to merge various ingredients together to make baked goods, and then you merge those baked goods together until you've merged your way to filling your customers' orders. You earn coins from each order and then use those to move forward in the dramatic, mysterious story while renovating your cafe along the way. To celebrate their birthday for the next few weeks, they've got big in-game events and even real-life baking contests planned. If you download the game now, you can join in on all of their birthday celebrations with their new events, storylines, rewards, and get their exclusive birthday cake bird bath for free. If you're ready to show off your baking skills in real life, join in on their Bake Out Bash on Instagram and Facebook for your chance to win some amazing prizes. To join in on all of the birthday fun, download Love and Pies for free on mobile and tablet using my link down below. Crumb coat's done. If you guys haven't liked this video yet, give it a thumbs up because it actually really helps the channel and helps out the video. It's in the fridge for like 20 minutes to chill, so it's good. It is good for the next coat. Nice thing about this trend is apparently the velvet spray covers up all of the texture of your buttercream, so you don't have to worry about getting it perfectly smooth, but I'm going to anyways.
Oh my stars and stripes. What is this crazy new magical looking tool you just picked up, Lori?
It's a real smooth transition, Kevin.
Just like your cakes are gonna be after using this cool tool.
This cool tool. It used to take me a half hour of adding icing on and taking it off, adding it on, taking it off before I would get like a perfectly smooth cake. This took the stress out of decorating for me because I just hug my cake, hold it in one spot, turn the cake around and around a couple times, and like look how smooth it is already. Hug, hold, turn. It's so ridiculously satisfying. Like, it's not stressful, it's just fun. And each layer, you're just scraping off a tiny bit, holding it flush to the cake as you spin it around. Look how smooth that is. I'm sorry, come on. I did that in like 2 minutes. These are what I used to use. This has a thick, awkward handle on it, so getting your fingers in the perfect position is so awkward. And it has a curve at the bottom, so when you hold it in, you can't get that edge straight down to the cake board. It leaves a bead at the bottom, and then you need to add a border to cover up, and you know I don't like borders. And then this one is, it's acrylic, it's awkward, it's like the weird weight. It's thick and it's too wide, it's just the worst proportions. This is absolutely perfect. It spent us 6 months developing and making sure everything was like perfectly smooth and square edges and perfectly balanced with weight. But because this is our first ever custom product, we only made so many. So once they're gone, they're gone. You guys wanna click the I here and grab yours now while you can. And let me know down below what other products you want me to make, because I have so many ideas. Now time to ice the mini cake. I don't really have anything else to say, so just listen to some elevator music while I get this iced. Cakes have been chilling in the fridge for about an hour, so they're nice and rock hard to touch, which is gonna be perfect for tiering. This is going to mark the inside circle where I can put my dowels, which instead of dowels, I'm actually using straws. So with the tiered cake, if I put the cake right on top of this cake, oh no!
Oh, Lori.
It's okay, Archie.
Archie ran to hide. That's just gonna be the back.
I have never in my life. I have all the bad butterflies. That's what I call my anxiety. So when you have good butterflies, you get flutters. When you have bad butterflies and it's anxiety, it's just like, ah. All I do is bake with anxiety.
And love.
And love.
Except for when you punch cakes.
I'm looking to make the straws the same height as the cakes. I'm looking for where the buttercream is hitting the top of the straw there. And then I'm gonna cut it. Cut.
Are you ready?
Not a chance.
Are you gonna hold the side of the cake?
Maybe.
Are your hands hot?
Always.
Always. Oh boy. Oh, Look at that, that was pretty good. Look at that, Lori. I feel like this is the first time you've tiered a cake with this icing, right?
Yes, it is.
Every other tiered cake you've done was with the grocery
soft
store.
icing, which then like you can't like touch it and it just wants to smear everywhere.
This is looking really good.
Yeah.
I don't even know what I'm filming anymore. Sometimes I'm a really, really bad camera operator.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
Wow. At least I don't go punching cakes.
Action.
Stop.
Action.
Why are you always recording
What
me?
are you doing with the tape?
I'm taping these together,
Tape.
and then you're not gonna make a mess. Do we have more packing tape?
No. I
Did I
believe
tape
in
the
you.
wrong side of the seam? Oh, damn it. Tape the wrong side.
Right after I said I believed in you.
Filming me again?
Yes, we have to see how you're doing this. Well, this is genius. I think this is gonna work out really well. Hopefully it doesn't just like bounce off of here and go towards the camera. But I spread some buttercream on a cake tin just so we could practice spraying.
Oh God.
Oh, it's light.
Oh no, it's careful, it's going everywhere. Lori, it's going everywhere. I can see it all aerosoled in the air. Look at all of this tiny mist.
Can we talk about this though?
Yeah, but
How do we like it?
I don't know the mess, Lori.
I think I'm ready to spray the cake.
I am not ready to spray the cake.
I'm just a little nervous.
We need to go over some lessons and ground
No,
rules.
because it's out of the fridge. I asked if you were ready.
I wasn't ready.
Well,
I don't think I said I was ready. Okay, listen. You were going like. It's like, remember when you sprayed furniture? Sometimes you just are the worst. Make sure you spray it at the backdrop.
you're ruining all my fun.
And you're really stressing.
No, I went the wrong way. Oh my God, okay.
You're like the train guy all over again. That's better, much better. I'll kill you. It's
Sorry.
going everywhere.
I didn't have a graffiti era.
I literally have never done graffiti in my life.
Apparently your master of spray paint, I don't know where that came
Not
from.
the master, I've used it to spray paint furniture. You see over here? Look over here, do you see it now? Yeah, that's all over the floor, all over the camera gear.
It smells like chocolate. You're gonna have to mop up in here.
A mop is not going to clean this. We should probably have respirators on.
It's been in the fridge for like 10 minutes. I really don't know if it needed it, but just for safety. Oh yeah, look at that layered texture. Okay, now I feel good about the fridge. This is the coolest cake I have ever made. This is so cool. We're getting a spray machine.
No, we're not.
We're getting a spray machine.
Then you can do it outside.
I can go with that. Done? Oh my God. Okay. I am so in love. Oh my God, I love the texture. We just popped out to Michael's and got flowers. So I'm gonna cut those up. Let's clean up this area and get those on the cake to finish it up.
I used to float, now I just fall down. I used to but I'm not sure now what I was made for.
I can't believe I made this. Like, actually, I made this. I am blown away. I love the texture. I love the ombre. I want to cut it. I'm also really curious how the cocoa butter tastes because did it leave a flavor? That raspberry buttercream, so good. So simple, but like, let's try the cocoa. No flavor. A hint of chocolate, but like barely any flavor, just like a hint of chocolate. Well, that's good.